We will be making lentil soup today. It's a stored cupboard recipe with such simple ingredients, but the result is nonetheless delicious. I am placing 1 cup of red lentils, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 finely chopped potato with half of a finely chopped carrot to a liter of water. Let's also add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. I am leaving the pot partially covered with the lid, as otherwise the soup might boil over. You should simmer this soup for half an hour on medium heat, and then check whether the ingredients have cooked enough. If that's the case, then the soup would be ready to be blended. At this point, you can also add a dessert spoon of butter to elevate its taste. Our delicious lentil soup is ready now. I hope you enjoy it. Please do not forget to like and share our videos.